afternoon, everybody. This is Karen March. Actually, it's good evening. It's almost 7:30. Okay, I'm running water. Ooh, it's too hot. I gotta get Freedom his bird bath water. Hey, Freedom. And you don't want it to... Yes, Freedom, are you gonna have a bird bath? Are you excited? Freedom's on the bath cabinet. Here's his perch over here. So, you know, we call it a bird bath, but it's really a shower. Freedom, are you gonna have a shower? Bird bath. Are you gonna get yourself a bath? Are you excited? Good boy. Freedom can also do the gurgle noise. Freedom, are you gonna imitate the water? Well, that wasn't correct. He can do a trill. Freedom. Oh my goodness, are you excited about your bath? He's like, finally. I know Freedom needs to have more frequent baths. Right, Freedom? So my mom is falling down on her duties. Woo! Okay, so we have, just to kill a moment here, this is a, well, we've had the green wing macaw. This is Freedom's shower. There's a blue and gold. There's a yellow crested cockatoo. Yellow crested. Freedom, and there's a Moluccan. And then we got our, we're celebrating Christmas year-round with Sue Smith up in New Hampshire. She sent me these. I love it. So we got the Alligator Adventure. Whoops. Alligator Adventure plate, license plate. I have one on my car. I bought 3. Isn't that insane? One on the car, one for backup, one for display. I used to have one in the kitchen. All right, I think I have plenty of water here. All right, Freedom. Woo. Oh, Freedom said, oh my God. Oh my gosh, Freedom. Are you doing a bird bath? Yes, you are. Say, my mom's going to put me on a perch, and then we're going to do a bath. Okay, Freedom? Okay, all right, I'm going to get Freedom. I'm going to switch hands. Okay, Freedom? Okay, you want to step up? Okay, come on, Freedom. Step up. You want to do a bird bath? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Freedom. Step up. Freedom, come on. Do you want to do a bird bath? Okay, step up. Come on, Freedom. Who's going to do a bath? Come on, Freedom. Okay, Freedom, step up. Come on. Look, he's moving his beak when I say it. Okay, Freedom. All right, you got to step up. Come on. Freedom. Okay, step up. Come on, Freedom. It's okay. You're nervous. That's okay. Freedom, can I move the cabinet a little bit? Okay, step up. Come on, Freedom. I'm not trying to scare you. Okay, Freedom. Okay, it's okay. Okay, step up. You're okay. He's like, I'm a little bit confused. Okay, Freedom, you're okay. You're okay. Who's going to do bird bath? Okay. Freedom, do you want to do step up? Okay, we're going to do bird bath. Come on. Okay, step up. Come on, Freedom. Freedom, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, Freedom, step up. He's like, oh, step up when I'm off camera. All right, signing off live with the baby. Have a great day.